how to buy a Steam gift card. So here I've just opened up the application, and once we go to the store, you should be able to see Steam gift cards right here from the left hand side. Just simply click on Steam gift cards, give the gift of the game, and you will see this digital gift cards. So we can send a digital Steam gift card to our friends, or we can add funds to my Steam wallet. Now we can also buy Steam gift cards from stores. So here you can find retailers and we can redeem a gift card. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on send a digital Steam gift card here, and it's going to look like this. We have different amounts of gift cards here that we can use, up to 100 euros in my case. I assume that's $100 as well. So for example, if we want to send a $10 gift card or buy a $10 gift card, we will then choose the name of the person, and we're going to click on continue here, and we'll have to type out their first name and what we want to tell them and write our signature. Then we'll go to the payment info section where we'll have to pay, and then we'll review the purchase and just confirm it. So that's how you do it. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.